Alright, so this is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to disassemble the Logitech C920 Pro. To start, you're going to want to peel off the two pads found on the bottom of the unit. I'll use a metal pry tool. These do rip very easily, so you want to go nice and slow. Do keep in mind that sometimes when you peel them off, the two layers will come off independently, so you have to peel them off separately. So in my case, I have to peel off the second layer as well. You'll now notice that there are 4 screws exposed on the bottom. We're going to take those off. They're standard Phillips. This step, take your pry tool, slide it in between the edge of the microphone covers, pry up, you'll notice that this plastic shroud should come loose. Again, do not rush, take your time. There's little plastic snaps under this that break very easily. That's one. Other side now. There's the other one. You'll notice this exposes 8 more screws. So take all those out. The top glass cover should now come off, and this will reveal 5 more screws. Notice the center screw has a smaller head. It is also longer, and you need to make sure you put this screw back in the center of the bracket. At this step, the stand should pop up and then slide out. You can put that off to the side, you don't need it anymore. And top plastic bracket should also come out. There's little catches on both sides. As well as a catch in the middle. Also take the 2 little rubber grommets off. There's one on this piece, but we don't want to lose them. At this step, loosen 3 screws on the circuit board. We are almost done. Now, taking your screwdriver or tweezers, pull the power cable up and over this snap, just like this, so that it sits over top of the camera lens. Then, from this side, pry up on the board with a slight twist, and it should come out. Just like this. As a final step, to loosen the cable, take tweezers, pull back on the C-clamp, just like this, and pop the wire out. We are now fully disassembled, as the wire is soldered onto the main board here. So you would need a soldering iron to fully disconnect the cable from the logic board. I hope this helps. Follow these instructions in reverse when you wish to reassemble. That's all for today.